Today on Cutting Shit Things Up with a Dremel, we're going to be cutting up the Nitecore i4, the 2016 model charger. And the reason we're going to be cutting this up is because this thing gets insanely hot for something that's only charging 4 AA batteries. Now these are charging at 375 milliamps each. You know, the total charge current is 1.5 amps. And it still gets really, really hot. So hot that I don't even want to leave this thing, you know, on its own charging because I'm worried it will catch fire or something like that. So let me show you how hot it's actually getting. Now hopefully you can see this. And I've actually measured this up at, you know, past 80 before. But even now, I mean, you know, 77 degrees Celsius, just charging 1.5 amps worth of, you know, current on the batteries is ridiculous. So I'm gonna cut it open. I don't trust it. I don't want to use it. I kind of know what's already inside, but it really deserves to die. So let's do that now. So the first thing we're going to do is unplug it and take the batteries out. And cut the bastard open. Let's see if we can get it apart. Might need a screwdriver for this. But I'll certainly need something for this. Let's see what I've got. I think I'm going to need a bigger screwdriver. Let's see if this will get it apart. It's held together quite well. I'm sure I tried looking for screws before but couldn't find any. But it's possible I didn't look very well because it definitely feels like there's some screwage going on. Well, it wouldn't have been as much fun, would it? Actually taking it apart properly. But sod it. Let's just cut the screws out and be done with it. Who needs a screwdriver? There we go. What we got in here then? Apart from crap that doesn't work very well. We've got a screw there. Get out to the posh screwdriver. I think the best thing about this is probably the blue circuit board. I mean, honestly, how can anything charging at such a low current get so hot? Well, there's not an awful lot to it. It's nice filtering. But we've just got a little processor there. See if we can zoom in on that and see what it is. Well, whatever it is, it's probably crap. There we go. Oh, what have we got here? Little buttons thing and some more ICs. But yeah, that's what's inside it. Don't think there's any mains going on in there, but you never know. But fuck it, who cares? And that's what's inside this piece of shit. Don't buy one of these. they take forever to charge up the batteries. I think I had it charging for about 5 hours yesterday and they still weren't even half charged. They're actually pitched as being, you know, good quality. I mean, not maybe not high-end chargers, but certainly good quality chargers. But I don't really think they are. I mean, they're built okay, and you know, these connectors look fine. But I mean, really, charging, you know, 2,500 or 2,000 milliamp hour batteries up with 375 milliamp hours. Ain't no one got time for that. But yes, don't buy this. It's crap.